Happy birthday, Mommy.
So today we are going to
Take a second.
buy a gift for me. Hi everyone, so today is a very special day because today is my birthday and I'm gonna show you my husband's birthday gift. And I'm so excited. So okay, let's start with the freebies. So when I bought this gift, so the seller, he gave me lots of freebies. Okay, so let's start with this super cute pouch. It's really so cute. Look at this. So cute, isn't it? Next is earrings. This is like free earrings. Can you imagine that one? This is 18 karat gold. It's a free one. He gave me voucher. We converted it into gold, and this is the one. Look at this. So it's like a stud earrings, 18 karat gold. Okay. Next, this one is a very special one because it's a dream of mine to have this type of earrings. So let's unbox it. So this is really so beautiful, isn't it? This is diamond, and I really want a set of cute diamonds. So I already have here this one. I got this one on my birthday last year. So this year I got these earrings. Let's try. So beautiful, isn't it? So here, it's so elegant. Look at this. So happy birthday to me! It's my birthday.